from the ground up. A term so often thrown around, it's easy to dismiss. But sometimes you can't just build on an existing product. You have to start from the beginning and completely rethink what is possible. That's why we're excited to announce the all-new Profoto Pro-D3. The Pro-D3 is a heavy-duty industrial tool. Designed to be a large e-com studio workhorse, the Pro-D3 truly delivers in every aspect. From power and speed to unmatched consistency and reliability, the Pro-D3 is relentless. First, let's talk about power. With a 50% power increase over its predecessor, the Pro-D3 comes in 750 and 1250 watt-second variations, giving you more than enough output to tackle any project. The power doesn't stop at the flash. With a daylight balanced LED modeling light that matches the power of a 400 watt halogen lamp, you've never been closer to seeing what you'll get when you press your shutter. Now let's talk about speed. The Pro-D3 boasts some of the fastest speeds ever in a Pro Series flash. With full power recycle speeds as fast as half a second, to action-stopping flash durations of up to 75 thousandths of a second, the Pro-D3 gives you the ability to shoot with unrelenting power at a pace that suits your photographic needs. Now, what good is all that power and speed if your flash can't handle the workload? The Pro-D3 has been redesigned from the ground up. Utilizing the latest innovations in electronics technology, such as high-grade capacitors and reinforced quartz flash tubes, you can rest assured that your flash is always ready for action. And with the introduction of the all-new Eco mode, you can extend operational lifetime of your flash by up to 100%. With power, speed, and unmatched consistency and reliability, the all-new Profoto Pro-D3 is relentless.